Now let's look at the difficult words and use them in sentences. Huna in Arabic means here, and hunak in Arabic means there. Huna kitabuk, here is your book. هناك القليل من التفاح على الشجرة. There are a few apples on the tree. السمك means fish. دكان means a shop. The shopkeeper is called بقال. باب means a door, while a window in Arabic is called نافذة. هذا باب وهذه نافذة. This is a door and this is a window. صغير in Arabic means small and كبير means big. هذا المنزل صغير جدا. This building is very small. جدا in Arabic is used for very. As you can see, جدا comes at the end of the sentence. وذاك المنزل كبير جدا. And that house is very big. زبون in Arabic means a customer. أنا زبون قديم. I am an old customer. قديم means old. And جديد means new. أنا زبون جديد. I am a new customer. كلمة means a word. The plural of كلمة is كلمات, which means words. كم كلمة العربية تعرف? How many Arabic words do you know? مكان آخر. مكان in Arabic means place and آخر means another one. There's a similar looking word which is آخر. آخر means last one, while آخر means another one. لا حاجة إلى. لا حاجة means there is no need. إلى for. لا حاجة إلى هذا الشخص. There is no need for this person. مجان means free of cost. الماء مجان. The water is free. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please do subscribe, like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks.